Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create a pop-up menu in Sketchware for a button click and for list view item click. So let's start. Here I have created an app which contains a button which is button 1 and it contains a list view which is list view 1. Now let's first create a pop-up menu for button click. So for this I will be using this simple code from this website. This is my blog and I have added the code here. This is the code which creates a pop-up menu. So first use an add source directly block and paste this code inside this. This code actually creates a new pop-up menu with name pop-up and it is created for button 1. And then it adds items to this pop-up menu like delete and show. You can add more items to the list by writing menu.add and then in bracket and in parenthesis you can write the next item like display. Okay, now we have 3 items in the list. Now after this add another add source directory block and copy this second code. This second code sets an on click listener for the items of pop-up menu. And it creates a switch inside which the first case is delete, which is the first menu item. So in this case called case delete, we will toast a message that delete clicked. You can add any other block which you want to execute when this button is clicked. Now after this add another add source directly block and inside this you can add the other cases. The second case is case show. Now after this you can use blocks which will display or which will do the activity which you want to do when this button is clicked. Now for the third item in menu which is display, use another add source directly block and just change this show to display. Now after all this use another add source directly block and in this block paste this final code which closes the on click listener for pop-up menu and then shows the pop-up menu. Now let's check this. So here when we click on this button you can see a pop-up menu with 3 items, and when we click on any of the items it displays the item which is clicked. When second item is clicked it shows show clicked, and when third item is clicked it shows show clicked because we have written the same thing here. Now let's set an on click listener, means a pop-up menu for the list view. So for a list view we have to add this list view on item clicked event, and inside this copy all these blocks and paste them here. Now here instead of button 1 we cannot use list view 1 because it will display for the whole list view. So here instead of list view 1 we have to use underscore view. That's all. Now suppose you want to display the position which was clicked. Let's reduce the item. Let's use only 2 items, delete and show. Now we will display the position by using this block get value at position key. The key used was n, so we will join this and this block. So here just write delete, then give some space and it will display this now. And for the second place write show to display the position and show. Now let's check this. So here when we click the button we see these 3 items, and when we click any position it says delete 303, show 304, delete 309. So in this way we can add a pop-up menu to a list view. Now we can delete items of the list view also using this simple code, like delete at position of the list. So instead of this toast use this block delete, and after this just refresh the list view 1 refresh data. Now let's check this. So here is our list view, and when we click on 303 and then click on delete it gets deleted, and likewise we can delete all the items one by one. So in this way you can create a pop-up menu for a list view and for a button. I hope this was useful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.